Gonna have a busy day today.
I'm trying to prep the ribs and she's making coffee. This one's too small. This one's too big. This one is just right. Why did I even think I'd get wood chips here? Jeez.
Touch the continue button if finished.
Hatchets for smoker. Look at that, right?
I don't even have to move.
I know, right? Or even turn your head.
But I did have to push my arm back, and I find there's a little bit of pain.
Oh, workers' comp. I don't know. What do I do? Maple, apple?
No, it's called old man's just rewards.
Yeah, right.
It just gets, every year it gets a little worse.
That's your reward for surviving.
Well, it's my reward for living a healthy young life.
I wish I could say that.
I mean, it's only like a 30-mile-an-hour wind right now in my face, and it's starting to rain. Ha! No windshield. That kind of sucked. You know, so it wasn't until later in the day that I started offloading video that I realized, holy crap, my off-camera mic had a dead battery and almost no audio on this camera, my good camera, was recorded for the entire day, so I was so bummed out. But I did get to finish the ribs. The ribs came out awesome. And Barb and I made some nachos and just, you know, kind of chilled the rest of the day. It was actually turned out to be a really good day. And I thought, you know what? Since I'm in such a good mood, maybe I will try to make a video out of this. I think it turned out okay. What do you think? Hey, if you like what you saw today, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Ride with Two Indians. And until next time, peace. We'll see you. Love you guys. Bye-bye. See how temperature's doing here. I don't think this thing is accurate. I think I need to go to the store because I think we're out of apple juice, and I'm gonna need apple juice for the ribs.